Okay. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Okay, this is group discussion video number 5. Today is 30th of November and it is 5:21 p.m. So we begin our discussion with some introduction and metric number. So Jiman.
Hi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rizman bin Muhammad Fazli. My metric number is 192026.
Alright. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Ruslan. My metric number is 199846. Majid.
Hello, my name is Wan Abdul Majid Bimanuddin and my metric number is 192562.
Rafiq.
Hi, my name is Rafiq Azim bin Johan and my metric number is 193767.
Hamzi.
Hi, my name is Hamzi Lukman. My metric number is 191973.
Irfan.
Alright, hello, my name is Muhammad Nur Irfan Bishamsuddinor and my metric number is 192514.
Okay, thank you. So today we are going to discuss a poem, word piece. So we start with the poem reciter, which is Rafiq. I will share the screen.
Okay, I will now recite the poem. Everyone listen. All right, so peaceful, such a grand dream, such a solace, a world away from dark and grim, world peace. A dream? I don't think so. If only we can unite, truly bury all our habits. We can. Let's pause to feed hungers, help the poor and the sick, halt these wasteful, grotesque wars now, revert. Youngsters, lead the future. Despite our forefathers, we can be the change we dreamed of. We will. Oh, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Rafiq, for the reciter. Okay, so we will we will go to poem structure. I will do poem structure. So the poem we see just now is a sinking. A sinking is an American style poem. It is short. The stanzas are short. It is unrhymed. So it does not have to rhyme. So the rhyme would be A, B, C, D, E since we have 5 lines. So it consists of 22 syllables distributed in 5 lines. So each line will have 2 syllable, 4 syllable, 6 syllable, 8 syllable, and again 2 syllable. So this is an American adaptation of a Japanese style poem, which is called haiku. Haiku is a Japanese poem with 575 syllables. Not that one, but haiku. Yes. So that is all for the poem structure. Oh, okay. Sorry. We have 4. Excuse me. We have 4 stanza, and each stanza has 5 lines. So that's all for poem structure. We will move on to word choice by Rizman.
Okay, I will continue to the word choice of this poem entitled World Peace. Actually, the word sinking attract me to reveal the meaning of sinking. The meaning of sinking is inverse, a 5 stanza inline stanza, a 5 inline stanza that is called sinking. Basically, this poem use a simple words, but they are like 1 or 2 words we call power words in every stanza. For example, in stanza 1, there is a word solace, which means comfort or consolation in a time or distress or sadness. For example, she talks solace in her religious. And then the second stanza, the word hatches, meaning like the X, AXEX. Yeah, truly bury all at our hatches. And then the third stanza is grotesque, which is bringing the meaning like nonsense. Something is nonsense about the war, wasteful war. And then the last stanza is forefathers. Forefathers meaning like we are the pioneer of something. For example, if we make peace, then we are the pioneer of this peace. Where this peace come from, which is us. That's all from me for the word choice.
Okay, thank you, Jiman. Next one is explicit meaning by Majid.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Farhan. Okay, so I will explain the explicit meaning for each stanza. Okay, for the stanza one, the first stanza describe on how peaceful the world without problem or any disaster or any fighting among countries. So we can see like in the past like World War Country One, World War Country Two. Okay, and then the second stanza, the explicit meaning is the stanza want to encourage people to unite in order to create a peaceful surrounding around the world. So there's many ways, but the stanza doesn't explain, but it explains us to unite. Okay, so for the third stanza, it explains to us to stop fighting, help each other, help the youngest or the poor, uh, and then it is the way that we can create a peaceful world. And then for the last stanza, stanza 4, the explicit meaning is it want to us to encourage the youngster to unite and create a peaceful country, as the future of country depends on the youngster. The youngster can build the country, can create a peaceful country in the future. So I think that's all for me for the explicit meaning. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Majid, for the explanation. So we will continue to implicit meaning by Hamzi.
Okay, hello. For implicit meaning, I have found some implicit meaning in this poem. First is in stanza 2, line number 4, which it say truly bury all our hatches, mean all party or all countries need to remove all hatred and try to live or try to live harmony. Second is in stanza number 4, line number 4, hold this wasteful grotesque wars now, means our country need to stop this unnecessary war because it doesn't bring any benefits. It's only bring the damage to society. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Hamzi. The last but not least is message from Irfan.
Alright, for the message for the poem, first, we need to unite to make sure our world peace. Second is we need to avoid any war that not important for us. Third is we need to we call that to make sure that all the resident in our country have a good place, good about welfare for the resident in the country. Fourth is we need to make sure that our generation, our next generation, can ensure that the peace of the country or the world can be controlled in the future. All right, I think that's all for the message from the poem.
Okay, thank you so much, Irfan, for the explanation on the message. We still have around 3 minutes left, so perhaps I can explain to you what we should be doing for our last video, group discussion video. The group discussion video 5. Is it? No. Group discussion video 6. So we already have 4 poems altogether from COVID and corruption, world peace, and also what's the other one? Environment.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Global
Sorry,
warming.
global warming. So it says here in the virtual LAX timeline that everyone will discuss all 4 poems created by the groups and select the best poem. And for the selection, we have to justify our decision. So that would be the task for group 5, next week's group discussion. So I am not sure what to discuss yet, but we can bring this into the WhatsApp group and discuss. So is there any other question you want to ask about today's poem or the task next week? Any question? No.
We just left one video, right? For
Yes. This is our last, second last, and next week will be our last video. Any other questions? No.
No.
Okay. If there is no question, then I think that is all for today. Thank you very much.
Right, thank you.
We will see you again next week. Thank you.
Thank you,
Right,
Farhan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm.